Here we got a 1950 delivery stand, would never sedan, would never had a paint job like this sweet looking, but very practical type of truck because it's amazing they don't make these anymore. I don't know what the hell's the matter with people, man. But split window. Actually, to tell you the truth, I don't even know what's wrong with a split window. Nothing. It means you got a smaller piece of windshield to change if you got a rock in it, right? It's easier. So, aftermarket interior. It's automatic. This thing's been upgraded though. It's got its tack on its in the console there. But you got a lot of room back there. See that? Well, this is this one's really like fuel filler. This one's been like sweetened out a lot. Trailer hitch on it. Ain't nothing put back in that thing. But you see how practical that the roofer ran. You see how practical it is? You open up the door like that and just slide stuff in there. Now you wouldn't be slide stuff in this thing, but you know, makes a lot more sense, you know. And you don't need no damn windows on it, because the windows just means somebody can steal something in there, you know? Here's your, I guess that's, got to get out from the inside. This feature, need that. It's pretty cool, man. I like these old delivery sedans, man. They make a lot of sense. Guess you can fit about a couple hundred gallons of moonshine there, nobody know, right?